Look at my snow dance. What is up, guys? So today it's a cold one. There's snow outside. We're gonna head to the JW Speed Factory. I'm linking up with my buddy Abe. Look at my snow dance. You see this? We are headed to Jimmy's, aka JW Speed Factory, one of our sponsors. We are headed there because he got a wideband. He's gonna get installed, but we're not going all the way to Delaware for that. And we are, but we're linking up with my buddy Abe, Victoria the Hemi. We're doing his coilovers, so he's on like springs or something. So we're gonna do that. We're meeting up with him right now. Then we're gonna get some food. Oh. I thought he was gonna hit the donut. Young Abe. Unfortunately, this is like the reality of life. Anything can happen at any time, guys. Luckily nothing too crazy happened. We hit the fire hydrant and then the guardrail, but it doesn't look too crazy bad. His rear quarters, I mean, it's but the door, that's an easy fix. Nothing down below seems like it's but it seems to run and drive decent. It's just the body work is kind of messed up. And it's crazy, it didn't even chip this light. Yeah, bro. It didn't even f***ing happen, dude. Did it go on? Yo, he's drifting in front of the cops. We're in Victoria, you know what I'm saying? We got the red seats, boy. Zach's gonna head home. I'm guessing do all of his insurance stuff. Like I said, I'm glad everybody's all right because that could have been a lot worse. Now we're gonna get this thing lowered, hopefully. Do some crazy things. Got young Abe doing the roadside fender roll. We picked up his man and we kind of ran into a problem. As you can see, his tires are getting a little chewed up. It's only on this side though, because all the weight is on this side. So hopefully this will help out. Oh yeah.
There's actually space between.
Oh yeah, that's crazy. Roadside fender roller.
Hey, and I've been scrubbing all this time, man. Good shit on myself, man.
All you needed was that.
What?
Let's see. Nothing. Bye. So we just got down the road like a little bit, and we're just gonna do the other one. Might as well.
They see me rolling, they hate it, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me.
Damn, boy, look at this. You need some lotion. Oh, get hit by a car.
Yeah. Hey, what's that? Yo, you seen that video?
Back at it. No rubs. You should have been done that. Chipotle stop. You got the big bread. Let's see. Yeah.
This ain't nothing.
Yeah. Magic trick. You get a magic trick.
Boy.
David Blaine.
No, what? Hey,
turn ones into 100. Bang.
Fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star.
oh yeah. Hey dog, you think my mixtape gonna be fire, bruh?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's gonna be my signature joint. Come back when you got some chocolate. You got some caramel chews in that. You got some backwoods in that.
Yeah, this said get his butt. So we pulled up, and Jimmy's over here flying the plane. Rev it up. It's that Hemi. And let's see who just showed up. Let's see who just showed up. Look who came to parties. We got Zach. You got a little bit of snow in the back. TT Rado, go check him out, guys.
Oh, you want to see? I got some new toys.
Oh, you did? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I haven't seen this guy in a minute, so.
Like on Instagram.
I probably not. Let's see what we got in here.
This is the.
Oh yeah, that's the new.
Yeah, the Holly High Ram.
Oh. Yeah, the runners, aren't they?
It's got like the
102.
Well, it says normal size throttle body. I mean, opening here, but no, like this is the one. Like most of these Holly High Rams for the direct injection, like most of them come like they don't have port injection.
Oh, this one
does, and it came with fuel rails and everything. So
nice. Gotta hit the e-brake. This is his wife's car. Yeah. Big hole. Right there. This is what we actually came here for.
Bruh, 30 horsepower, easy.
Oh no!
You gotta accelerate.
Oh no, we're gonna die. No! We're at the Speed Factory, getting Abe's oil in here.
Yeah, bro, all this is new.
We are under the car. It's all salty because you know the roads be salty all the time. He's got the straight pipe though, boy. So they got the front one out. We're just trying to decide how low should you go. Coming up next. So turning back, bro. Let's see where we got it set at. Smack 'em. Comment down below. Do you think it's gonna be slammed or do you think it's gonna be perfect? The fronts are in, and we just got to roll this fender back here. He's doing the other side to get the coils on that side, and then we should be done. So we're going to go get some chicken. Just kidding. Gonna go grab Jimmy some gas for helping us out. I mean, he didn't really ask for nothing, but you gotta help your friends out, man. So we're gonna go do that, grab some chicken, and then hopefully we'll have the coilovers all set up. But right now, we're gonna take the twin turbo Rado. Ooh, it's cold. This thing's so loud. Ah! Oh, spin.
Damn.
And we back. We got Lord TJ. Yo, what's your AG, bud? Over there say. You got an Instagram? Booty hole official site.
Got him.
Smoke a lot of.
It took us like 10 years, but we finally got this last one in.
Every time we get to 18, I say 15.
So, crazy. All right, so final moment of truth. Well, not really moment, but you still gotta put these on. These heavy ass.
These big boys.
Boy, you need to get some. Ooh! The audio is big. Let's go. Let's see. You can't get it in the hole first try. Oh, look at him struggling to get it in the hole.
That's what she said.
All right, we're gonna be back when we get the tires on and see how much lower it goes. All right, wheel touchdown. The back is monster trucking.
Back is monster truck.
The fronts,
exactly what I said though.
The fronts are not too bad. They kind of look good. The fronts look a little bit lower. The rears though could.
That shit's gotta come down.
Yeah, the rears could definitely go a little bit lower. Yeah, we gotta do that another day. That's easy. That's just a spit. We'll just grab the spanner wrenches from Zach and we'll just do that. We
can't do it. We can't do it like that.
You can.
No, you gotta bring it up.
At least you're gonna have a stiff ride now, boy. Beat that. So we got everything ready to go. We're probably gonna dip out of here. He's just gonna let the springs settle for a little bit because they are brand new. It's gonna lower just a tiny bit once they settle, and then he's gonna get alignment and lower it some more. So whenever he gets that, then we'll probably go get some pictures. Go check out his Instagram, guys. It's Victoria the Hemi. Check him out right here if you want to see more of this car. This fitment, boy. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. bees.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.
Yeah, this said get his butt.
Come back when you got some chocolate.